Assalamualaikum and hi. So this is your assignment for this for second hour tutorial this week. Okay, so this is a question from past year PSPM 1711. So actually yang ini yang last format yang dulu. So for this question markanya banyak 10 marks. Okay, so we go through the question. So we start with the definition. Okay, so this is carbon dioxide. Okay, dia ada bagi 4 point. So the first question here, what is mean by triple point and critical point? So this is definition for triple and critical point. So ingat lagi triple point yang di tengah-tengah tu, tiga-tiga tu. So triple point defined as the temperature and pressure pada suhu yang sama dan pressure yang sama at which the three phases vapor, liquid and solid are in equilibrium. So triple point is the point where the temperature and pressure at which the three phases vapor, liquid and solid are in equilibrium. So 1 mark for the definition for triple point. Okay, second mark given for critical point. So critical point yang paling tinggi di liquid gas line. So definition for critical point is the temperature and pressure at which the liquid and gas cannot longer to be distinguished. The temperature and pressure at which the liquid and gas can no longer be distinguished. So tak boleh tukar lagi antara dua phase tu. So second mark. Okay, the third one, using the data given, so yang dia bagi 4 point ni, sketch a label phase diagram for carbon dioxide. So and show the supercritical point. So kita tahu untuk phase diagram of carbon dioxide and other substance, okay, dia akan ada positive slope, meaning solid liquid line phase diagram. So label. So this is pressure in atm. Okay, so this one is temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, then label phase. So this one is solid, liquid and vapor or gas. So ini yang tadi saya mention. So solid and liquid line positive slope, meaning dia condong pergi ke arah kanan. Okay, untuk carbon dioxide and semua substance yang lain kecuali water. So label yang data dia bagi ni. So kita ada triple point. So triple point here, triple point. So pressure for triple point is 5 atm. Di sini 5. Okay, dan sini temperature is negative 51. Okay, then for triple point, temperature for triple point 31. Critical point 31 and pressure 73. For marks untuk phase diagram, okay, we are given 5 mark here. So exist 1 mark. Exist meaning ada pressure in atm and temperature in degrees Celsius, 1 mark. Correct label of exist. Okay, so dia bagi kamu 4 point ni. So kamu label in the diagram. So label point given. Okay, 4 point. Okay, 1 mark. Correct. Label 2 mark. Oh, sini ada 2 mark. 2 mark. Meaning 2 untuk triple, 1 untuk triple. Sini 50, negative 51 and 5. Okay, another one untuk critical 31 degrees Celsius and 73 atm. Okay, 2 marks. Okay, the third one is correct curve, 1 mark. Okay, correct curve macam ni. Okay, especially yang garis solid liquid, positive slope. Okay, condong ke arah kanan. Okay, then the last one is label for phases. Okay, solid, liquid and gas, 1 mark. So untuk diagram ni sahaja ada 5 mark. Okay, then soalan ni belum habis lagi. Show the supercritical point. So supercritical point, so kalau critical point tu di sini, okay, okay, so this one is critical point. So kalau critical point di sini, untuk supercritical mesti above this critical point. So somewhere here. So kita label je sini. So we label here. Okay, label as supercritical point. Tapi mesti above the critical point. Okay, so untuk supercritical point label in diagram, another mark, 1 mark. Okay, last question. Using this phase diagram, state under what condition can dry ice form to act as a coolant. So under what condition? Dry ice meaning carbon dioxide change from gas to solid. So first, sebelum kita tunjuk dalam phase diagram, kamu state dry ice is formed when CO2 gas change to, so point given here, CO2 gas change to solid. So 1 mark there. Okay, and we need to show where is the condition. So it's condition, so gas ini, so sini kawasan untuk gas. Okay, so gas here. Okay, so gas change to solid. So solid di sini. So meaning untuk berlakunya changing of gas to solid, okay, without go through liquid, ini mesti berlaku di bawah this point, this triple point, meaning under 5 atm and below negative 51. So something somewhere here. So just bagi tunjukkan line and state between A and D under 5 atm and lower than negative 51 degree Celsius. Okay, so cukup sudah 10 markas ini. Okay, 1, 2 for definition. Okay, definition 1 mark, 2 mark. So ada triple point, critical point. Kemudian untuk diagram 5, 7 dah, 7. Kemudian 8, label supercritical point. 9, dry ice form when CO2 gas change to solid. Okay, and the last point yang akhir ni. So condition refer to under 5 atm and lower than 51 degree Celsius. Okay, so this one is for question from tutorial question. Question 14 page 43. Yang ni pun sama untuk carbon dioxide. Sketch a phase diagram. So sama. Okay, and label triple and critical point. Critical 73. So this one 5.2. Okay, dah. Then soalan yang seterusnya, change of phase. Okay, phase changes when a sample of carbon dioxide is pressurized isothermally. So pressurized isothermally to 10 atm. Okay, so label dulu sini solid, liquid and gas. So di mana kawasan yang under 1 atm? Okay, 1 atm sini, somewhere here. Ini katalah sini 1 atm. Lowest bawah lagi sikit. Okay, sini 1 atm. 1 atm, temperature negative 78. Negative 78 sini. Okey. Sebab kita tak plot, jadi kita agak-agak lah. So, pressurize isothermally to 10 atm. So, isothermally meaning pada suhu yang sama. So, meaning pada suhu negative 78. Suhu yang sama ni. Pressurize, okay, ditinggikan pressure. Okay, so bergerak dari sini. So, from this point, gerak until is pressurized isothermally to 10 atm. So until 10 atm. So bergerak sini sampai 10 atm. 10 atm. So sini. Okay, then followed by isobaric heating. Isobar means pada pressure yang sama. So pressure yang sama tu 10 atm until 20 degrees Celsius. So 20 degrees Celsius katalah di sini. So 20 degrees Celsius. So stop sini. So apa phase change tu? So kita mula dengan sini, okay, kawasan sini. So dari masa 1 atm negative 78. So dia exist as apa tu? Gas. Gas. Kemudian okay, so masa dia di atas garis solid dengan gas. Okay, so dia akan tukar jadi solid and gas phase. Okay, so selepas tu dia di sini 10 atm, 10 atm, negative 78 degrees Celsius, dia akan jadi solid. Okay, next. Okay, bila dia isobar heating, so temperature increase daripada negative 78 pergi kepada 20 degrees Celsius. Daripada solid jadi mixing antara solid and liquid. Okay, di garis ini. Sini. Kemudian masuk di kawasan liquid. Okay, kemudian di sini liquid and gas mix. Okay, finally pada 10 atm 20 degrees Celsius they exist as gas. Okay, so kita mula daripada gas, ending pun dengan gas. So dia just nak phase change. Okay, explain the phase change. So dalam explanation mesti sebutlah pada certain temperature sama pressure tu. So mula daripada sini. Okay, next. Okay, ini pun sama, tutorial question number 5, page 44. So ini phase diagram of water. Okay, so the first question, which curve represent the equilibrium between ice and water vapor? So ini pressure, solid, liquid and gas. Ice and water vapor. So water vapor, gas, ice, solid. So kawasan mana? So sini. So meaning this line. So which curve? So DB curve. Kawasan antara curve DB ni, okay, represent equilibrium antara solid dengan gas. State the phase change. Okay, soalan 2. State the phase change when a sample at point E. So point E sini heated at constant pressure. So pada pressure yang sama, kalau heated meaning temperature akan increase. So kita akan gerak pergi ke kanan. Until point F. Okay, so meaning kita akan buat line. Okay, from E to F. Phase change. So start with point E. So at point E, number B, phase-nya ialah solid. Okay, kemudian okay, kita bagilah sini. Sini point X, sini point Y, Ini point Z. So point X, solid and liquid. Point Y, liquid. Point Z, liquid and gas, until point F, gas. Okay, so itu je dia nak phase change. Okay, the next question, C, name the point at which BC line. So BC line refer to line between ini solid and liquid. So intersect at 1 atm. So BC line ialah line di mana solid bertukar jadi liquid ataupun liquid tukar jadi solid. So if solid change to liquid, namanya ialah melting. So liquid to solid namanya ialah freezing. So apa maksud intersect at 1 atm? Berlaku pada 1 atm. So kalau pada 1 atm, prosesnya ialah normal. So pointnya ialah, sama ada kamu jawab dia sikit C, normal, freezing point, okay, or normal melting point. Okay, apa beza freezing point ataupun melting point without the word normal? So kalau tanpa perkataan normal, meaning freezing and melting ni berlaku pada pressure selain daripada 1 atm, lower than 1 atm ataupun higher than 1 atm. Kalau berlaku pada 1 atm, akan ada perkataan normal. Okay, last question. BC line has negative slope. Okay, yang ini. BC line antara solid dengan liquid ni negative slope, meaning condong ke kiri. Okay, why? Explain. Okay, so ini because of density. Kita dah explain last time. Okay, so let's tulis pointnya ialah because of density ice ataupun solid H2O is less dense. Okay, kurang tumpat than water ataupun liquid H2O. Itu saja. Okay, so thank you. Nanti kamu hantar di GC.